I want to do a fast video about a problem that seems to affect every 1.5 Roadster, the water pump. So 1.5s have one water pump that's located right in there. What happens a lot, especially in hot climates like Texas, in the summer, the water pump will just run continuously, like all day. It'll drain like 15 miles off the battery daily, just from the water pump running. It wears itself out, and you're looking at replacing it. Like I've replaced the one in this car, I think every other year so far. It gets pretty hot here, so you can have Tesla replace it. You can do it yourself in your driveway, like I'm about to do, for about $140 in parts and about 20 minutes of your time. So first step, of course, is to jack up the car. We're going to jack it from the rear jack point and take off the rear passenger wheel. I've already cracked them with the breaker bar, so now I'm just going to use the impact to get them off. So now that the wheel's off, we can get in and remove this access panel right here. It's real easy to do. It's just a bunch of 8mm bolts. Yikes. Don't know what this is, but it looks like it shouldn't be just floating. This is a drip tray. It's supposed to go on top of the battery to divert water, and it's not doing that. Okay, that's concerning. This is the first time that I've looked inside this car since Tesla replaced the battery. Yeah, it's not inspiring confidence. The job we're in here to do, jeez, what a mess this car is to replace the water pump. You can see the coolant lines going to it, there and there. Oh, actually, the water pump's right there. It's not actually as far down as I thought it was. There's more loose crap up there. Whatever this thing is, looks like it should not be there. Oh yeah, I think Tesla screwed up when they reassembled my car. Yeah, they did not put the drip trays back on correctly. I will deal with that a different time. A lot of high voltage cables running through this space. We're not going to mess with those. It has all these leaves in here that need to be cleared out. I have not cleaned this car properly in a while. But anyway, here's the pump. So there's essentially nothing holding it in place. All you have to do to get it out is undo these pinch clamps with pliers and just slide the hoses off. Yeah, coolant may spill, so expect to see some green fluid drip out. Helps to have a bucket nearby. Got a mason jar to catch coolant. So we're gonna start disconnecting stuff. Gosh, what a mess. First thing we want to do is unplug the pump. So there's an electrical connector on this end of it. Push that clip down and separate it. And this is it. Yes, this job is kind of messy. One of the few jobs involving an electric vehicle that can be messy. Not a lot of fluids in these things. Okay, that's good. Okay. Clamps are off. Ready the mason jar. Oh, there it is. Oof. Oh, it is filling up. We're gonna need more than one mason jar here. So we're gonna slow down. Okay, that may be it. No, still coming. Jeez. Oh, it doesn't stop. Just gonna go ahead and pull off the other hose. It's gonna make a mess. Maybe not. Just leave that there for now. And there's our pump. Yeah, so I made a bigger mess than I expected, but here's the replacement I got from Amazon last week. Brand new. Still has seals, so we'll pop those off. And then we can just start reconnecting everything. So, like we saw, this is where the fluid comes out. You can see by the direction on the pump housing itself. It's still leaking. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, there's that. I'm not gonna do the clamp just yet until we're in the final position. Get everything reconnected first before the pump powers up in case it makes a mess. So let's reconnect this. Okay, and then we'll hook that back up. That should do it. Alright, now let's get the clamps. The pump is connected, hoses are on, clamps are in place, and the electrical is reconnected. So that's really it. It just sits in there. So now all we have to do is just put the panel back on, the wheel on, and that's it. That's really all there is to it.